Hey guys, today I've got a matching Roper washer and dryer set. Now that is built by Whirlpool. You get a bunch of different little surnames like that depending on which big box store you buy them from. Anyway, they're both electric. I've got this one filling up, nice heavy jeans and towel load going there. So I'm going to show you that it does in fact work. So we'll let it progress through its cycle. You'll get to hear it agitate. You'll get to hear it drain, and then you'll get to see the spin cycle as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. And kind of that's the purpose, so that you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. That's why I do these videos. So we'll let this guy here go ahead and move through its cycle, and we will come back for it. Okay, and we're back. Actually on the rinse portion now. I got kind of busy there and missed the wash cycle, but drained all the water out, filled back up. Now it's rinsing, and you can hear, let's see, I've got it set to large. You can hear it agitating great. Unfortunately, this is not the kind where you can stick a screwdriver in and show, but the thing about the agitators that you just want to make sure is that they spin freely one way and then not back the other way. So if they spin freely both ways, then you know this is broken. So that allows this to agitate those clothes, and that's what actually gets them clean. And I must have kicked that when I was cleaning this. But other than that, that's pretty much it there. I'm going to go ahead and let it fill up just a little bit more, get those clothes nice and clean. And we will hang out for the spin cycle here. Alright, and we're back for the final spin. It's at full speed. And as you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm going to lift this lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. It's going to put the brakes on and stop it pretty quick, but for testing purposes, I always like to show that it is spinning. Let's go ahead and pop that up here. There you go. Close it back down and it'll start back up. I'm going to let that finish up, then we'll move these over and show you the dryer. Alright guys, so we've got that washer cleaned out. You can see it's in excellent condition. And now we're over here with the dryer. As I said, it's electric. Both of these are super capacity. And it is running just on a high heat time dry. I think you've got 4 settings there for heat. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Also in excellent condition. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So a little temperature gun here, right in between your 2 red dots. That's where you're going to get the temperature. So we will open this up here. I'm going to shut it right inside the heating element tube so you can see plenty of heat coming out of there. So essentially the heat can get up to about 300 degrees here, comes in, heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195, just depends on what you have it set at and what type of load you're doing, that kind of thing. But there you have it. You can see that it is getting nice and hot. We'll just, it doesn't matter what setting. There's also the auto setting here, which is kind of cool. We just hit go on that and it'll take care of it. Push that start button over there. And that's it. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything mechanical and electrical gets checked. I make sure that these guys work perfect before they leave my garage here. That way you know when you get them home, plug them in, everything's going to work good. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.